In food production, every surface matters. From carryback prevention to effortless maintenance, our new Hygienic Belt Scraper is the solution you can trust for a cleaner, safer, and more efficient production line. Our Hygienic Scrapers feature a quick release mechanism for fast belt access, easy installation, and cleaning. Other models share a similar design, tailored to different conveyor system needs. With our Hygienic Scraper, you can count on a clean sweep, reducing carryback and bacterial growth. It delivers high cleaning coverage across the belt surface, ensuring top-notch food safety and exceptional product quality. From maintaining spotless conveyor lines to ensuring smooth food transfers, our Hygienic Scrapers make it effortless every step of the way. It fits seamlessly with any conveyor, supporting belts up to 180 cm and is easily retrofitted or installed on new conveyors. 6 adaptable configurations suit various systems and belt widths. It's simple to operate from any side. The Easy Action Edge lets you adjust cleaning pressure in seconds for optimal performance, while the Quick Release feature ensures easy maintenance with minimal downtime. Positioning options are available, but Solution 3 requires proper belt tension. More of our models offer quick release. Side brackets enable rapid removal of the scraper and effortless detachment of the belt for cleaning. First, release the pressure on the scraper. Secondly, slide the bracket from the slot to the hold position. And thirdly, hold the bracket and scraper off the conveyor. Visit our website for a step-by-step download guide tailored to your specific configuration. If you need assistance with installing the scraper or have questions about your specific setup, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.